Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Analysis 1. While you're here, please take a second to like this video. It really helps in the fight against YouTube's algorithm. If you're into breakout stocks or just love digging into companies with big potential, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving deep into Tonix Pharmaceuticals, ticker symbol TNXP. This small-cap biotech has been making waves lately, and I'm here to break it all down for you. Recent news, stock performance, pipeline updates, and what it all means for investors. Stick around, hit that like button if you find this helpful, and let's get started. First off, what is Tonix Pharmaceuticals? Tonix is a biopharmaceutical company focused on developing innovative treatments for conditions like fibromyalgia, kidney transplant rejection, and even cocaine intoxication. They're based in Chatham, New Jersey, and trade on the NASDAQ under the ticker TNXP. As of right now, their market cap sits around $43 million, pretty small, which means high risk, but also high reward potential if things go their way. Let's talk stock performance. TNXP has had a wild ride. Back in December 2024, the stock was trading at just 28 cents. But then on February 5th, 2025, they executed a 1-for-100 reverse stock split to boost the share price and stay compliant with NASDAQ's minimum bid price rule. Fast forward to today, March 6, 2025, and posts on X are buzzing about TNXP climbing past 1150 with strong volume. That's a huge jump. Some folks on X are even pointing out that before the reverse split, TNXP spiked to the equivalent of $190 per share, showing just how volatile and explosive this stock can be. So what's driving this momentum? Let's break down the latest updates. On February 27, 2025, Tonix announced a big hire, Siobhan Fogarty, as their new Chief Technical Officer. She's got serious experience, and this move signals they're gearing up for something big. Then, just this week, on March 4th, news dropped that Fogarty's employment agreement was finalized. Investors see this as a sign Tonix is strengthening its leadership ahead of key milestones. The real star of the show, though, is TNX-102 SL, their lead candidate for fibromyalgia, a chronic pain condition affecting millions. The FDA accepted their new drug application back in December 2024, and they've set a PDUFA goal date of August 15, 2025. That's when we'll know if TNX-102 SL gets the green light. If approved, this could be a game changer. Tonix says it's a non-opioid treatment, and with 2 successful Phase 3 trials already in the bag, the buzz is building. Posts on X are hyping this up, with some saying a market cap of $500 million to $1 billion could be in play if TNX-102 SL, branded as Tonmia, hits the market. But TNX-102 SL isn't the only thing in their pipeline. TNX-1500, a monoclonal antibody for preventing kidney transplant rejection, just wrapped up a Phase 1 trial with positive results, well tolerated and showing immune system modulation. They're now prepping for Phase 2. And then there's TNX-1300, a Phase 2 biologic for cocaine intoxication with FDA Breakthrough Therapy designation. Plus, they're working on TNX-801, a preclinical Mpox vaccine candidate. Tonix is juggling a lot, and that diversity could be a strength or a risk if they spread themselves too thin. Let's talk money. In their preliminary 2024 earnings report from February 7th, Tonix said they ended the year with $98.8 million in cash, enough to fund operations into Q1 2026. They're debt-free after paying off a $9.6 million mortgage in February, and they pulled in $10.1 million in net sales from migraine products like Zembrace and Tasimra. That's a solid cash cushion, but biotech burns cash fast, so they'll need to keep raising funds or start generating serious revenue. What's the vibe on X? Traders are pumped. One user noted TNXP's float is just 5 million shares, with volume hitting 2 million recently, showing strong rotation and buyer interest. Another post called out the breakout above 11.70, tied to an upcoming investor summit presentation on March 11th. Sentiment is bullish, with some eyeing a short squeeze given the low float and past spikes. But heads up, this is a speculative play, and not everyone's convinced it's sustainable long term. All right, let's analyze this. Technically, TNXP is showing strength, breaking resistance levels, holding gains, and riding solid volume. Fundamentally, the TNX-102 SL decision in August is the big catalyst to watch. If it's a yes from the FDA, this stock could skyrocket. But here's the flip side. Biotech is risky. Delays, FDA rejection, or cash burn could tank it. Their $43 million market cap feels low for a company with this pipeline, but small caps like TNXP can be brutal if things go south. So, should you buy TNXP? If you're a risk taker who loves biotech lottery tickets, this might be your play. The upside is huge. Think multi-bagger potential if TNX-102 SL gets approved. But if you're risk-averse, maybe sit this one out or wait for more clarity. Either way, keep an eye on that March 11th Investor Summit and the August PDUFA date. Those could move the needle big time. That's my take on Tonix Pharmaceuticals. What do you think? Bullish or bearish on TNXP? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want more stock breakdowns like this, smash that subscribe button and ring the bell so you don't miss a thing. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.